Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best cordless vacuums on Amazon in 2026. If you've got pets, kids, or just want to keep your home spotless without dragging around a cord, this video is for you. We'll check out the key features, performance, pros and cons of each vacuum, and at the end, I'll tell you which one I personally recommend. So grab a cup of coffee and check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get cleaning. Number 1. Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum. Cleans hard floors and carpets, detangles hair, converts to handheld mode, 115 AW suction power, 2 power modes, and up to 40 minutes runtime. The Dyson V8 is lightweight and very easy to maneuver. You can glide from room to room without straining your wrist. Suction is impressive for everyday messes and pet hair, even on carpets. Handheld mode is handy for stairs, sofas, and even your car interior. Pros: lightweight and easy to handle. Strong suction for its size, converts to handheld mode. Cons: only 40 minutes runtime, so may need a recharge for big homes. Small dustbin requires frequent emptying. I like using the V8 on carpeted stairs. It's so much easier than bulky corded vacuums. And for pet owners, the tangle-free brush makes life much easier. Number 2. Upgraded 55 kPa 650 watt cordless vacuum. 650 watt motor with 55 kPa suction. Hurricane mode for deep cleaning. Self-standing design, 1.8 liter dust cup, anti-tangle brush. 70-minute runtime is a standout feature, perfect for larger homes. The touchscreen control is intuitive, switch power modes without bending down. Anti-tangle brush works wonders on pet hair, especially long-haired dogs or cats. Pros: long runtime, 70 minutes. Large dust cup for less frequent emptying, pet hair friendly. Cons: slightly bulkier than Dyson models, louder motor compared to Dyson. This vacuum is perfect if you hate stopping mid-clean to recharge, and the self-standing design is great. It won't fall over while you switch rooms or grab attachments. Number 3. Dyson V15 Detect Plus. Laser illumination reveals dust invisible to the eye. 240 AW suction, 3 power modes, and up to 60 minutes runtime. Converts to handheld and detangles pet hair. The laser dust detection is something else. You can literally see the fine dust on hard floors before vacuuming it up. Powerful suction makes it perfect for deep cleaning carpets and hard-to-reach areas. Premium feel and attachments for every type of cleaning job. Pros: laser reveals hidden dust, high suction power, versatile attachments. Cons: slightly heavier than Dyson V8. I love using the V15 in the kitchen and living room. The laser shows exactly where dust hides, so you know every corner is clean. It's also fantastic for pet hair on rugs. Number 4. Bosch Unlimited 9. Fast charging, up to 60 minutes runtime. Micro clean brush, HEPA filtration, 6 accessories. Works on carpets, hard floors, and pet hair. Excellent cleaning power on carpets and hard floors. Multiple accessories make it ideal for pets, cars, and tricky corners. HEPA filter is a big plus for allergy sufferers. Pros: excellent filtration for allergies, flexible with multiple accessories, quick charging. Cons: accessories can be bulky to store. Suction slightly lower than Dyson V15. I like using the Bosch Unlimited 9 for detailed cleaning around furniture. The HEPA filter really helps keep dust and allergens trapped. Number 5. Dyson Gen5 Outsize. 250 AW suction, 3 power modes, and up to 140 minutes runtime. XL dustbin, HEPA filtration, illuminates dust. Works on all floor types. Designed for large homes, XL bin and long runtime mean fewer interruptions. High suction ensures no dirt is left behind, even on thick carpets. HEPA filter captures allergens and dust efficiently. Pros: longest runtime, 140 minutes. XL dustbin reduces emptying, works on all floor types. Cons: heavier than most cordless vacuums. This is a dream vacuum for big families or homes with pets. The Gen5 Outsize basically lets you clean your whole house in one go without worrying about recharging. So there you have it, the top 5 cordless vacuums of 2026. If you want affordable and reliable, go with the Dyson V8. If you want tech features and pet hair solutions, the Dyson V15 Detect Plus is amazing. And for maximum runtime and capacity, the Dyson Gen5 Outsize is unbeatable. Check the links in the description to grab the best deals on Amazon. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment with your favorite vacuum, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.